Hey, this is Jeff Ornova. Today I'm going to show you how to write SEO optimized bulk blog posts with ChatGPT in WordPress, okay? If you stay tuned to the end of this video, I'm going to put a link below this video that you can get access to this WordPress plugin, okay? It's very powerful. But today, like I said, we're going to show you how the bulk create feature works for articles, okay? So what you can do is, right here it says best to do 10 bulk articles at a time, but maximum 50. So I made a list of of keywords that have to do with make money online, okay? So I'm going to paste this into there. There's 50 of them. I'm not going to show you all of them, meaning when they create the articles, I'm going to show you how they're creating them. Usually they take anywhere from 30 seconds to a minute to create them, so it will take some time. So I'm not going to show you all 50, but I'm just going to show you once I press the button, going through all these things and telling you how they work. I'm going to show you how they start getting created, okay? But like I said, once you would get the plugin, you can play with this. It works. We have it running on other sites, and it's doing very, very well, okay? So like I said, now what you'll do is once you're on this page right here, you'll just click right down here once you have the plugin, and you click right here, and it'll bring you to this page right here. Now, I would always put things in draft just because you want to make sure the article looks the way you want, okay, the blog post. And then you pick a category that you want it to go to. I'm just going to pick uncategorized. Then, however long you want the article, I'm just going to do 2000, okay? Then what you can do right here is you can pick which language you want. We have 29 different languages. I'm going to pick English. Writing styles, we have 20 of them. I'm just going to click on professional. Writing tone, we have 10 of them. I'm going to pick on here, let's see, I'm just going to do educational. And then right here, this is extremely important, SEO optimized. This is always updated all the time. We're making sure that each search engine, we have information put in there for like Google, Bing, Yahoo, and the other search engines to make sure that the articles are written in the way that they need to be so they can rank on first page of Google, Yahoo, Bing, and other search engines, okay? So this is a powerful feature you always want to keep on. Tags are an important part for search engines so they can understand your articles better, so make sure you keep that on. And then generate FAQs. FAQs are important because most people that come to your website have questions. This is a way that they can get their questions answered. Obviously, if not, if you have a comment section, that's where they can ask too. But FAQs are extremely important, and it keeps people on your page longer, which is an important part of a ranking factor with search engine ranking on first page and getting your content ranked, okay? Now, generate conclusion. It's always good to have a conclusion to your article, to wrap things up, to allow people to know what your article was about, kind of to, give them a wrap around of things. So you want to keep that checked there too, okay? So once you have all this stuff set right here, okay? Now, I know in the other videos you might have seen that there's YouTube. We're working on that because, like I said, different features can slow things down. So as soon as we figure that out, we're going to actually have a tab right here for YouTube also. But like I said, you might be watching this video now, and the plugin may already have that feature put in there. So just letting you know that is coming to the plugin, okay? Now, what you'll do is, like I said, I've got 50 of them in here. I put everything on draft because, like I said, it's better to do drafts so you can check things before it goes out. Pick the category that you want. Pick the word count that you want. So I wanted 2,000 words. Language, English. Writing tone, writing style, professional. Writing tone, educational I did. And then SEO optimized, keep that on. Generate tags, keep that on. Generate FAQ, keep that on. And generate conclusion, okay? So now what we're going to do is we're just going to click right here, generate articles. All right. Now it's going to take some time. Like I said, it just says right up here, we have received your request. Please be patient. The articles are starting to appear in your post section shortly. Okay. So if we just come over here to post, all right, we're going to just come over here to post, and we're going to look on today's date right here. And obviously today's date is the 23rd of January of 2004. So none of them have shown up yet. So we're just going to wait just a second here. All right. So we'll just wait. They should be coming any minute now. And like I said, I'm only going to show you probably the first one or two, just because, like I said, it takes time. But I just wanted to show you how the function of that feature works and how simple it is to use and how you can start using this today once you get the plugin to start generating a ton of SEO optimized content for your WordPress website with ChatGPT, okay? In your WordPress website. This is going to blow you away, okay? So let's see, just click on all again. We're just waiting here. Let's give it some time. All right, I'm just going to pause the video for just a sec, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back now. Now right here, we can tell right here, it says online income. That's one of the keywords we used. You can see right here, it was on January 23rd, 2024. It's a draft. It has your tags right here too. And here it is. We're just going to click on this so you can see it. Okay, here it is right there. Here's your 2,000 word article, FAQs, conclusion, right there. And if we look right here, here is your tags right here. And it's that simple, okay? So once you have the plugin, you can do this yourself and you can start creating content for your articles. You can bulk create the articles with ChatGPT in your WordPress website with My Content Creator Pro. My Content Creator Pro is the plugin I was talking about today that is going to blow your mind with all the different ChatGPT and AI features that we have added, okay? So I'm going to go back here and see if we have any more here. But like I said, if you want to get this today, look below this video. There'll be a link, and you can get that today. And what I want to do is I want to show you basically once you click that link, it's going to take you to that page right there, okay? And you can just look at right here. You can watch this video right here. You can look over all the different features of My Content Creator Pro. This version today that I showed you is the Elite version. There's a Pro version and Elite. The Elite version has all the ChatGPT features and all the other features that are going to come with different AI stuff, okay? The Pro version is great, but if you want to take your WordPress website to the next level, you want to get the Elite version of My Content Creator Pro. So make sure that you come on this page and you scroll down, you take a look at things, watch the videos. We have other videos that talk about the different features of even the Pro version, the Elite version, and other ChatGPT features. So make sure you do that, okay? And then make sure when you're on this page right here, we usually have a pop-up that allows you to get some money off the Elite version. So make sure you get that for yourself today. Thanks again. I hope you enjoy this bulk feature with ChatGPT in WordPress with My Content Creator Pro, the Elite version. Thanks again. This is Chad Pornova. Have yourself a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.